Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. I had a lot of fun today meeting with some new clients and going over their house. So they've lived in the house for a couple of years. Very nice house, nicely finished, doesn't need a lot of work as far as full renovation. However, they haven't really quite utilized this space well for their family, for the function. Things have just kind of landed in certain rooms and they just keep them there. And so it was time to reassess. It's been a couple of years, and so we really spent a lot of time talking about their family, how they go through their day-to-day lives, everything from kitchen, homework, office time at home, laundry, all the stuff. And one of the big takeaways of today was that they need more organization. So we talked about compartmentalizing and gathering things into common areas. So for their children, their garage is mostly used as a big play area for scootering and biking and doing big physical activities, practicing tennis. It's this huge garage and they don't park cars in there. And so their young children, their young girls, have a great time in this space. And so that's awesome. So we had to embrace that and how do we utilize it best? So anyway, big takeaway, organization. And what we decided we needed to do was to get lots of small, various size containers so that we could organize everything from little kitchen desk area to the girls' toys, all that kind of thing. It didn't have a place. And so we're going to take away some of the clutter, really clean up the space, enhance the functionality, and this family is really going to be able to live better, easier, work with each other the way that they need to. I'm really excited to see how it's going to transform. And you know what? We're not spending a lot of money. We're just talking about how the spaces function. We're analyzing what they have and coming up with inexpensive solutions. And this is not an inexpensive house, but you know what? They don't need to spend the money on that kind of stuff. They would rather spend their money on the space and on experiences with their children. And that's awesome. So we're going to just make it work for them. And it won't be permanent, it'll be temporary, but it's going to really grow with their children and their family. And I'm looking forward to doing more about it. So anyway, have a good one. Please like this video, leave a comment, something like that. And if you know someone that I can help either virtually or in person, I'd love your referral. Thank you so much. Have a good one.